Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. This is probably going to be one of the shortest videos I've ever done. What you guys see here are some little zipper pulls that are colorized. They come in different colors. And the reason why you would need something like this, perfect example would be a backpack like the one that you guys see here. This one has a variety of pull tabs on it. So I was able to place a couple of these on here just to make it easier for me to be able to find things on this specific backpack. Now, I'll show you guys how easy it is to actually utilize these. Basically, all you do, if your backpack or your device already has pull tabs, they're relatively easy to remove, just like so. And then you can pick another color, something that's going to make it easier for you to identify what it is that you're looking for. And then you can just slide that in like so. Pull it through on the other opposite side. Just cinch it down a little bit. And that's just going to give you a quick visual indicator of where these are, especially in dark environments. You know, a lot of times as a photographer, I'm working in some poorly lit environments and I need to grab things out of my bag, and being able to quickly find the pockets where things are stored really comes in handy. And I think having something like these little pull tabs is just going to make it that much easier. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just wanted to show you guys these cool little pull tabs that you can get for your different zippers to help find them when you need to. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.